When talking about astrology, most will know the basics of the subject, like what their sun sign is. But did you know that all signs are under different modalities? What exactly do I mean by modalities, also known as modes? Modality is the particular way in which things can be expressed or experienced. But first, let's touch on what we do know. We know that each sign is under a specific element. Fire being Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Earth being Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Air, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. And lastly, water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. With the modalities, things are a bit different. There are 3 different modes: cardinal, fixed, and mutable. And each mode has 1 sign from each element, 4 in total. The 4 cardinal signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn. The 4 fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. And the 4 mutable signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces. But what does it all mean? Remember, modes are particular ways in which things can be expressed or experienced. The modalities show us how each element interacts with the world and its surroundings. The cardinal signs are the initiation of change. These signs bring in their particular season. They are tied to new beginnings. Aries is early spring. Cancer is early summer. Libra is early fall. And Capricorn is early winter. Fixed signs are in the middle of the season. They are reliable and sturdy, and are the best when routines are in place. Taurus is mid-spring, Leo is mid-summer, Scorpio is mid-fall, and Aquarius is the middle of winter. Lastly, the mutable signs, and you guessed it, these signs represent the end of the season. They are adaptable and ever-changing. Going with the flow is their motto. Gemini is the end of spring, becoming summer. Virgo is the end of summer, becoming fall. Sagittarius is the end of fall, becoming winter. And Pisces is the end of winter, becoming spring.